Another weather update here with Julie Martin, checking out the Ohio Valley.
Yeah, guys, we've got some active weather
arriving
here
just in time.
I'd much rather have the frozen weather than the cold rain.
Or the wet, the cold rain is the worst for me.
The cold rain is absolutely the worst.
Horrible.
So yeah, Julie, I bet a lot of people
can't wear gloves because then they get all soaked.
You can't do anything.
Fingers are all
wet,
awful.
cold,
Terrible.
terrible. Thanks, Julie. Well, there's a sneaky way you might be contributing to big oil. Oscar-winning actress Olivia. Welcome back to Pattern. Today is the first day of meteorological winter, so welcome to winter, everyone. And while the idea of the new season might make you want to throw out your summer wear and throw on a thick coat and gloves, the truth is, winters just aren't as cold as they used to be.
Yeah, we've got Jen Brady here, the chief data analyst and climate researcher at Climate Central, to talk to us a little bit about these winters and what's going on. Jen, thank you so much for being with us. And I know when we say winter is warming, many people in the U.S., they'll disagree because they're already feeling those winter temperatures, or they'll remember what happened in Texas a couple winters ago. Right. But what do we mean when we really say winter is warming?
What we're saying is overall.
It was cold today. What happened to global warming? That is weather and not climate like we're talking about. And of course, there are certain parts of the country that are seeing a bigger change than others. So what parts of the country are seeing the biggest average change in the warming winters? And why do you think that is?
Right, interestingly,
that's great.
I was literally just getting ready to say, I will admit that it is a well-known fact, if you've ever talked to me for more than 3 seconds, that I hate the cold. But even I recognize that this is not good news. So, you know, maybe for those people who are like, oh, well, it's getting warmer, I'm not upset about that. How do these warmer winters affect things like food and water and just our daily lives?
Right, and this is always a thing, you know, we all
It's very important that Cascade and Sierra Mountain snow. And of course, ultimately, it means less smiles on the kids' faces for that first day of snowfall or that snow day. Yeah. Jen Brady, thank you so much for the information. We appreciate it. Chief data analyst and climate researcher over there at Climate Central. But there's something about that first snow. It makes everybody so excited. Other than this person.
Except me.
It's like, oh my gosh, there it is, snowflake.
Now, I will say, if I'm not standing outside in it, which if I'm in the snow, it's because I'm there to stand.
If you're like in a cabin and you've got a fire roaring, you got a big window and it's snowing outside, you get excited. That.
But what needs to happen is someone has transported me inside a warm bubble, right inside the cabin. They let me out of the bubble. Okay. When I need to go back outside, they put me in the bubble. That's all I need.
Like a reverse snow globe.
Like a hamster wheel.
You're like a hamster that's covered.
That's warm.
I get it.
Yeah.
For more stories like this, make sure you guys check
across the West.
That's exciting. More snow.
Thanks so much, Julie.
Thanks, Julie.
Well, this year's annual climate summit is major if we want to reduce our emissions in the next few decades.
Yeah, we're learning more about. Welcome back to Pattern. So right now, the world leaders and scientists are gathered in Dubai to discuss the solutions that will help us solve our climate crisis. And members of NOAA have a seat at that table.
That's right. NOAA Administrator Dr. Rick Spinrad joins us now. Dr. Spinrad, thanks so much for taking some time out of your busy schedule to talk to us. You're part of the U.S. delegation at COP, so why is it so important for NOAA to be part of these discussions?
Yeah, thank you for the opportunity to talk. So
that is such great work you guys are doing. NOAA Administrator Dr. Rick Spinrad, thanks so much for talking to us today. Can't wait to see what comes from all of that.
Me too. All right, we want to let everybody know what's coming up Monday on Pattern. If we want to reach our emissions